Okay, and here we have our out-of-the-box review of 1/35th scale, World War II, German 3.5 centimeter M1 super heavy howitzer. This one is one of a couple of big guns that this company has done. It's from Soar Art. We will probably also have a review later on of the big brother of this kit. But so far it looks to be pretty nice. It's a brand new kit. Seems to have plenty of detail. Everything seems pretty crisp, but it seems to be also a very new kit. Just received it 2 days ago. A lot of these kits are molded, pieces are molded on both sides actually. Should be a nice piece for a pretty cool diorama. Here we have the barrel. There's a 2-piece barrel. And the frames. And the carriage for the gun. More of the frame. Some of the pieces they use to tie it together. And they do have these. It's a small rubber cover for a strut or a shock on the gun. Lots of little details, especially these little guys right here, which I'll probably end up losing half of. And the ladders and frames. And a couple of the base plates they give you with this as well. Overall, seems like a pretty cool kit. Can't wait to build it. Watch for the channel when we build this and quite possibly make a really nice diorama out of it. Thanks for watching.